Experiencing Wi-Fi connectivity or data issues on your new Samsung Galaxy A56 can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to stay connected. In this video, we'll walk through effective troubleshooting steps to resolve these issues and ensure a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Note that the device has just been launched and doesn't mean that the Wi-Fi or data is not working. However, these steps are only provided in case you will need it at some point. Now, with the first step, we can just verify the Wi-Fi settings. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the quick settings panel. Ensure that the Wi-Fi is enabled and that the airplane mode is disabled. Moving to the second step, you can try to restart your device. Begin by restarting your Galaxy A56 by accessing the quick settings panel, and then you can tap on the power button and just tap it one more time to restart the device. Next, you can also power off your router and modem. Wait about 30 seconds before turning them back, and this can refresh your network connection. Another step would be to forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. And to do this, you just have to go into the settings, go to connections, to Wi-Fi. Tap the gear icon next to your connected network and select Forgot. Then reconnect by selecting the network again and entering the correct password. This step may actually fix the Wi-Fi network. Next, you can try to reset the network settings. Go to Settings again, General Management, Reset Network Settings. Confirm the reset. This will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and the Bluetooth as well. Also, you can try to update the software because this may improve the network connection. Now you can go to Settings again and just scroll down until you find Software Update. You just have to tap, check for any new updates, download and install it. Another interesting but very useful, in my opinion, is the airplane mode. This is the most common trick that I use when I don't have data connection, and it's just because I may travel and in that area it may not be signal. So once I pass that area, the signal is not coming back. So this trick, it may fix this issue. So for this, you just have to go to the quick settings panel and press on airplane mode. Wait for about a minute and then press again until the signal will appear and the data will work again. Also, for this data connection issue, you may use the resetting the device, which can actually fix it. Not last, you can try to factory reset as a last resort. If all this fails, consider a factory reset. You just have to go on Settings, General Management, Reset, Factory Data Reset. Remember to back up your data before proceeding, as this will erase all data on your device. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most Wi-Fi connectivity issues on your Samsung Galaxy A56. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the Samsung support or your internet service provider for even further assistance. And being said, thank you for watching this video. Give it a like, share and subscribe, and see you on the next one.